Hey guys, welcome to Spice and Mix. Today I've come up with another new recipe that is brinjal. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare brinjal gravy. So without further ado, let's move into the recipe and let's look into the preparation of this recipe. So here I have taken one brinjal. I have diced this brinjal into small cubes and I have kept it in water. I'll rinse it well and then we'll be using it. Here I have used about half tablespoon of coriander powder, 1/4 tablespoon of jeera powder and 1 tablespoon of red chili powder. We'll use salt as per our taste. Now here we'd be requiring tamarind. So this is a lemon sized tamarind that I've taken. I've taken half cup of water. Now I'm going to squeeze my tamarind well into the water so that whatever pulp is there in the tamarind, that is mixed well into my water. After squeezing it for about minute or two, you get this tamarind water ready. Now I've taken a pan. Into this pan I have poured about 2 cups of water. You can take 2.5 also, and now into this 2 cups of water or 2.5 cup of water, I'm going to add my tamarind water and I'm going to bring it to a boil. Now after it comes to a boil, we'll add our brinjal. Garlic is very important in this recipe. I am using around 10 cloves of garlic. We are going to crush this garlic very well in mortar and pestle. Guys, you can even grind this in the mixie, grind coarsely in the mixie. Now into this we are going to add a masala. So into this crushed garlic or kuta hua garlic, we are going to add a masalas. Masalas are same that I had told you in the ingredients, that is chili powder, jeera powder and coriander powder. But one ingredient would be additional into this mixture, that is we would be adding coconut oil into this. Now you cannot use any other oil because only coconut oil is used in this recipe, and coconut oil is the one that enhances the flavor of this recipe. So here we are going to add coconut oil. After adding coconut oil, we are going to mix it well and we are going to prepare an even mixture out of this. So guys, when I had kept my brinjal to boil or to cook, I had added salt. You can add salt at that time or you can add salt at the end. It all depends upon you. I had added at the beginning. So now after my brinjal is cooked very well, I'll be adding the mixture that we had prepared, the garlic mixture with the coconut oil. Guys, in this if you add more of garlic, more of coconut oil and more of spice, then this recipe will come out good. Now if you have less tolerance to spice, then it's your wish, you can add less. But the main ingredient in this is coconut oil and garlic. So guys, after 10 minutes of cooking this gravy on medium flame, we will get our gravy prepared and it is ready to be served. So guys, if you like this recipe, please do give a thumbs up and I hope you will try this at home soon and let me know. So we'll dish it out. So guys, please do subscribe to Spice and Mix. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and also do share this as much as possible and also press the bell icon so that in future whenever I upload any video you get the notification. Thanks a lot guys.